So with regard to CCNA, the next topic is about EIGRP. This is another routing protocol like RIP, which do the dynamic configuration and learn the dynamically network for you. So we are going to describe the operation of the EIGRP, examining different EIGRP packet, calculate the best path, what is the metric actually, describe the concept and dual operation, commands to verify, and configuration. So what are the characteristics of EIGRP? Feature of EIGRP, released in 1992, and it's a Cisco proprietary, which means it's only work for Cisco router. I think now it has been adopted by the other vendor as well, so it is working as a standard now, but not very popular. 2013 have basic functionality by EIGRP release as a standard. So you can see from 2013, this has now become a standard as well. Advanced distance vector routing protocol used diffusing algorithm to calculate the path and the backup path. Okay, so that's a characteristic of this routing protocol. It also does the establish the neighbor agencies, use reliable RTP protocol to provide delivery of the EIGRP, partial and bound update. Okay, so unlike EIGRP, RIP actually, RIP sending you update after 30 seconds. Every 30 seconds they're advertising the same network they already know, but they are actually doing the partial. If they know something changed, then they send some update. Okay, partial only send the update when there is a changes, send update only when there is a changes and only to the router that need to be informed. I mean, they do not speak the same language which already same information. So you can see the protocol dependent module, PDM. So first of all, once you enable the routing information on the interfaces, they do two neighbor. So RTP is used reliable transport protocol to learn the neighbor table, topology table, and routing table. EIGRP replace TCP with the RTP. So basically, rather than use TCP, they use RTP at the transport layer.